day everyone, this is a Mercedes-Benz Viano 2012. It's a 3-gear CDI engine, and the issue I'm having is trying to replace the indicator bulb. The reason why I need to replace it is it's probably blown. If you press the alarm or the remote key to unlock or lock, normally that would blink. It does not blink. And secondly, when you do drive it and you indicate on the driver's side, the turn signal flashes very fast on the indicator. Flash, 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 instead of a steady flash, flash, flash. Now the problem is, if you have beefy fingers, as I do, getting in there to get to that point is going to be extremely difficult. So, easy way around, remove the light bulb cover. This covers all the other light bulbs for the main headlights. Alright, keep it aside. And just by removing that, you almost double the space you can play with. And then you can get to that corner, reach to the bulb holder for that. And in this case, you would give it an anti-clockwise turn. It's a little bit difficult. Hang on, give me a moment, and you may need my hand. There you go, managed to do it. And then you can pull it out, and once you pull it out, you'll see the holder. That's the bit you grab on to. Give it a twist. It's not an easy twist, it might be a bit tight. It is a snug fit in there. And once you have that, you can then replace with new bulb. So I'm doing both the sides. On the driver's side, this is the South African version, so the driver's on the right. It's removing that section of the holder. But on the passenger side, there is a lot more room for you to actually access that bulb. So hopefully this has helped you if you have a car that's out of warranty and need to change your indicator light bulbs.